ASTQB wants you to be prepared for the ISTQB Foundation Level exam. You can download all of the ISTQB Foundation study resources for free on our website. You can also watch free ASTQB Foundation Level exam prep videos of the must-know items before you take the exam. ISTQB's Foundation Level.
2.3 Maintenance Testing. There are different categories of maintenance. It can be corrective, adaptive to changes in the environment, or improve performance or maintainability. So maintenance can involve planned releases and deployments and unplanned releases and deployments. Impact analysis may be done before a change is made to help decide if the change should be made based on the potential consequences in other areas of the system. Testing the changes to an operational system includes both evaluating the success of the implementation of the change and the checking for possible regressions in parts of the system that remain unchanged, which is usually most of the system. The scope of maintenance testing typically depends on the degree of risk of the change, the size of the existing system, and the size of the change. The triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows. Modifications such as planned enhancements, corrective changes or hot fixes, upgrades or migrations of the operational environment, such as from one platform to another, which can require tests associated with the new environment as well as of changed software, or tests of data conversion when data from another application is migrated into the system being maintained. Retirement, such as when an application reaches the end of its life. When a system is retired, this can require testing of data archiving if long data retention periods are required. Testing of restore and retrieval procedures after archiving may also be needed in the event that certain data is required during the archiving period.
If you know what software testing is, you will be one step closer to success with your ISTQB Foundation Level exam from ASTQB. Download the free ISTQB Foundation Level exam preparation materials today. www.astqb.org.